Let's dive straight into why Draft AI, the latest AI software, is generating so much buzz. In this review, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide if it's right for you. Whether you're new to AI or you've been using AI tools for a while, this one has a lot to offer, and I'm going to break it all down for you. Now, first off, Draft AI is something you don't want to overlook. It's an advanced tool designed to help streamline writing processes, content generation, and even ideation. Think of it like having a virtual assistant that can help with everything from drafting emails to generating marketing copy, articles, and even brainstorming ideas. But what sets it apart from other AI tools is its deep understanding of context and tone, making it feel more intuitive than most other software out there. One of the things I love most about Draft AI is how adaptable it is. Whether you're working in a corporate setting, running a content agency, or just a solo entrepreneur, Draft AI can really help speed up content production without sacrificing quality. It's user-friendly for anyone. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. It makes AI-driven writing accessible to a broader audience, and that's a huge deal. Draft AI really shines when it comes to customization. Most AI tools have basic templates or guidelines you can follow, but Draft AI lets you set the tone, style, and even the writing structure you want. This allows for more personalized results that align with your brand's voice or the specific project you're working on. I've seen so many other AI writing tools that fail to capture the nuances of tone or voice, but Draft AI gets it right every time, even on complex topics. Now let's talk about speed and efficiency. Draft AI isn't just about creating content faster, it's about creating content better and quicker. With real-time suggestions, auto-completion features, and its ability to generate multiple drafts in seconds, it makes your workflow more efficient than you could imagine. If you've ever sat staring at a blank screen trying to come up with ideas, Draft AI is here to eliminate that problem by generating helpful prompts based on what you're working on. Another key feature is Draft AI's collaboration capabilities. If you're in a team or working with clients, this tool allows you to share drafts, leave comments, and make revisions in real time. It's essentially like having a digital co-writer who understands your vision and can improve the output continuously. The feedback loop is incredibly useful, and that's something that sets Draft AI apart from most other writing tools that only work for individuals or don't allow for collaboration. But you might be wondering, how does Draft AI handle different niches? Well, that's another big plus. Draft AI has been trained on a wide variety of writing styles and industries, which means it adapts easily to technical subjects, marketing copy, storytelling, and even more creative tasks. So whether you're in digital marketing, tech, or even writing fiction, Draft AI is equipped to meet your needs. It's incredibly versatile in terms of the range of content you can create with it. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the pricing. While many AI tools can get pretty expensive, Draft AI offers a really compelling value, especially for what you're getting in return. They have a free trial for new users, and if you're happy with the results, their pricing plans are highly competitive compared to other options on the market. You can try Draft AI completely free through the first link in the description below. If you're looking for a powerful AI tool that can take your writing, marketing, or content creation to the next level, this is definitely one to check out. After reviewing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one stands out. And don't forget, I've also linked my top recommended AI software below. These are the tools I've personally used and trust after trying so many, so feel free to explore them to find the best fit for your needs. Let me know your thoughts on Draft AI in the comments, and happy content creating.